Alright, so now the question is, what do you do with your old Jeep front drive shaft? Well, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to saw it off here and here and use that pipe for leverage on wrenches when you need extra power on really stuck bolts. So here goes. There we go, one end off. Wow, junk. And there we have the other end off. So yeah, done. Now I've got a long bar for extra leverage on wrenches. Okay, so this fits up to my 3/4 and 19mm wrenches. So anything up to those sizes, if I need a strong arm, now I've got one. So that's just you know, something you might want to do if you got a piece of pipe or a drive shaft or something laying around. No sense tossing it if you can use it for something, right? So anyway, thanks for watching. See you again next time. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. You know, liking and subscribing really helps a small channel, so thank you so much.